with another review here of the Sun Joe pressure washer. It's a 14.5 amp. This is an electric one. The model number is SPX4000. The 4001 has a wheel that you can wheel up the thing, but it's the same engine. This one, you gotta just wrap the cord around the handle right there. That's the only difference between this and the 4001. It's nice so far. I just got it. I bought it off eBay. There it is. Here's the settings. You got high, low, and stop. Then you can adjust the PSI to max or minimum. It's got the soap dispenser at the bottom. You can buy one of those foam cannons for it. Just wash your car and everything. But like always be careful washing your car with these things. They'll peel the paint right off of it. There's all the fittings. You can see, just pop them up and then they snap into the hose. So it's a nice way to keep track of those. Just a really quick review. So far, super happy. These had awesome ratings online. I bought it because you can see this flagstone kind of getting dirty and just kind of filthy. So you can see it just peels this stuff right off, so it's going to make that flagstone look new again. There's some dirty spots over here. I guess this is mildew or something like that. This I got it on max with this 15-degree nozzle on there, and it just peels this mold, whatever it is, right up. There you go, the Sun Joe SPX4000. It's a nice unit so far. Really impressed. This unit is 2030 PSI max, 14.5 amp and 1.76 gallons per minute. I think on Amazon they were going for $200. So comes with a 2-year warranty, so that's always a plus. But yeah, if you're in the market for a pressure washer, I recommend it. Thank you.